tastes just like a Twix, but with ice cream. I don't like nuts,
Snickers. Wait, Snickers.
That's what I said.
You said it tastes just like a Twix.
No, I didn't.
We can roll the tape back.
Kelly, I just said.
It's just like a Twist, but it's different. How much money you want to put on this?
$5.
No, make it 20.
I don't got that money. So we in Dollar Tree and we're gonna get some ice cream to try. Dollar Tree ice cream.
Where's the best? Yum! Alright, y'all, here we go. So, we went to Dollar Tree. Just trying to save a little bit of money this time. But we just wanted to try out some ice cream bars and see which one is the best. We got M&M, Twix, and that's Snickers.
Alright. If you want to get See how this what it look like
on the inside. Yeah.
Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh! That's a little bit of M&M's. It's mostly vanilla and chocolate. I feel like it's gonna be all three.
Yeah, that's really what I was
the same thing.
Yeah.
5.
Regular, like vanilla.
Yeah.
That's like an ice cream candy bar. Try
the Snickers.
The Snickers.
It's gonna be a short video, but I'm include what all that lady said. And I want to
That nougat.
Y'all, to be honest, I don't really like. I hate nuts. I don't like nuts at all. Okay.
Way more peanut butter.
Yeah.
That's what makes the bar different. Of course.
It tastes just like a Twix, but with ice cream. I don't like nuts.
Snickers. Wait, Snickers.
That's what I said.
You said it tastes just like a Twix.
No, I didn't.
We can roll the tape back.
Kelly, I just said.
It's just like a Twist, but it's different. How much money you want to put on this?
$5.
No, make it 20.
I don't got that money.
Put $5 on it.
I don't got money to waste, so you right. I don't got money. Whatever you say.
The world is flat. Put money on it.
You gonna be broke. I would ever believe that.
More peanut butter and caramel.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Alright.
These got nuts in it too?
Mm-hmm.
Or is that nuts or that's something else?
It's nuts. Alright, Twix, y'all. Twix bar. 3, 2, 1.
I knew that wasn't nuts.
What?
Cookie. Like the crisp. Or what like this?
This might be the best one.
This fires me.
Twix bars are already good.
Shut up! Run that video.
Y'all, so the Twix is the best.
Yeah.
You agree? And then what's second?
I ain't like them M&Ms like that.
Yes, okay, so Twix, Snickers, then M&M.
Yeah. Even though I don't like nuts.
Alright, go ahead. End the video.
Alright, y'all, so if you enjoyed this taste test video, Go down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and put on that post notifications bell so you can get every video that we put out. And this is K Squirrel. We'll see y'all later.
Peace.